we'll just finish the face and the fins. या आप कलर भर लो कोई भी. The fins are also orange. Tail also you can fill with orange. I'll share all the details, materials that I use. That I have done for you. आप लोग प्लीज आराम से करिए, ये सब शेयर हो जाएगा, तो प्लीज टेक योर टाइम एंड डू इट. एंजॉय व्हाइल डूइंग इट. एंजॉय करना सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है एक्चुअली व्हेन यू आर डूइंग एनी आर्ट वर्क. इसमें आई एम नॉट फिलिंग विद द सिंपल दिस सर्कल्स. I am giving it a little bit this kind of shape, a leaf kind of shape. In this also you can add double lines. I am not doing it though, but you can add this double lines in this design also, the inside part. I'll rub out the pencil sketch part. And I'll use a combination of blue and I'll use this combination.
Your fishes are so beautiful compared to ours.
No. See, art has no definition. Every art is beautiful in itself. Even if a small child is drawing an apple, it is also beautiful, I'll tell you. Because my kids na, वो मुझे देखते हैं and they sit with anything and then they start seeing this only. But आप उनके एज और उनकी एक्सपीरियंस के हिसाब से देखोगे तो they do very well. Above all, na, practice is the main thing. If you're practicing na,